Service in Pueblo has just activated the emergency alert system as a test. The warning alarms on weather radio stations WXM52, WWG44, WNG579, KJY81, WWG23, WXM54, WXM56, KWN60, and WNG664 have also been activated as a test. During potentially hazardous weather situations, broadcasters and officials participating in the emergency alert system and those with specially built weather radio receivers are automatically notified of the hazard by the preceding digital code and warning alarm. Tests with this digital code and warning alarm are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between the hours of 11 a.m. and noon. If hazardous weather threatens near the normal test time, the test is postponed to the first good weather day. The digital code and warning alarm will be activated for selected watches and warnings affecting South Central and Southeast Colorado. For more information on the coverage areas of our 9 transmitters, go to our website at weather.gov/Pueblo, and under Weather Safety, click on Weather Radio. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to routine programming.